Hey everyone, and welcome to our first episode here of Sporting Saturday. So we're going to be starting off by hitting into some golfing exercises, which were by popular demand. So in particular today, we're going to be looking at some exercises for the hip flexor and some tightness into the obliques that they were feeling post golfing. So to begin with, we're going to start by just getting those hip flexors loose with some exercise and then add a little bit of a variation to get the oblique into it as well. So for this exercise, we're going to find something on the ground that we can kneel down on, and then we're going to bring our opposite leg forward. Whichever leg that is on the ground is the leg that you're going to be working. From there, you want your knee, your hip, and your shoulder all in a line, and you're going to tilt your hips under like you're trying to bring your belt line to your chest. You should be feeling a nice stretch down the front of your thigh. Then to add a little bit of the oblique into it, we're going to lift our arm up and take ourselves away. Then bring it back across. You want to hold that for about 20 to 30 seconds. By having a look at it from the side, you can see more of the hip position. So again, knee, hip, shoulder, getting that tilt, arm up and away from that side. Then bring it down. Exercise 2 that we're going to be working through today is what we call an oblique hold. So for this, it's more about getting those obliques firing and activating in a particular golf sense. So what we want to do is get a nice power band that's tied off out to the side, and you're going to set yourself up just out past the end of that band, slight knee bend and a slight forward bend. Yep, just like you're taking a swing at that golf club. From there, arms going to come out straight with the hands straight in front of your sternum. From that position, you're going to squeeze through your inner oblique, bring it out just past the midline, going to hold it for about 10 seconds, and then slowly bring the body back. Where you should be feeling is the oblique that is on the same side as the band. And finally, throw in a little bit of a bonus exercise here for a bit of thoracic rotation, gets the obliques kicking in, gets the glutes kicking in, and this is called a split stance thoracic rotation. So you want to grab a bar, a stick, or maybe even a golf club, and you're going to step forward with one leg, and the opposite leg is going to come back, like you're nearly about to do a lunge. From there, a slight forward body bend, and arms are going to come straight out in front of you. From that position, you're going to keep your eyes focused on a point on the ground and just rotate that bar around as high as you can get, only towards the side of the leg that's forward, and then bring it back in. You add a couple of second pause at the end, 2 to 3 seconds potentially, then bringing it back down for around 10 reps. If we were to then do the other side, we have left leg forward now, arms forward, keep those eyes still, and rotating out and around, and then coming back. Now remember, these exercises are quite general in nature, and your individual needs may be slightly different. So make sure that if you are struggling with any injuries, give these a crack. If they're not working, make sure to give us a call on 4981 9501, or have a look at our website, book on in, www.allelitephysio.com.au. Remember, we're here to ignite your athletic potential.